Look how fun this one is. Before we had a manipulator here, but it has been removed, so now it's only with conveyors. Now at the beginning we had one conveyor here, so manipulator placed the product on this conveyor, and when I was doing this project I decided to add one conveyor here for manual load, because in my mind was, what if the manipulator will fail? So what we have now, manipulator has been removed, so now we can place the product manually. Here is the point. The operator placed the product here. We have a trolley here, 2 positions. It is waiting here because for really I didn't change the program now. It is waiting the signal from manipulator or from here, but we don't have a manipulator. So the last position was this, so it is waiting in the last position. So let's see what we have now. I place the product manually and I decide to which line should I send. To this one or to this one. Let's imagine I'm going to send to this one. I wait a little bit and the conveyor starts moving. If it does not detect the product, it stops. It just stops. But let's try to simulate this. Why it is waiting? I can cancel this. Let me show you. For example, I will press this. Oh no, I want to send to this. Oh no, I want to send to this one. So this is why I wait a little bit. Okay, so now it goes, and here comes the trolley. Let's hide. What if I will remove the product? It will be running for some time. I think so. I don't remember really. Yeah, maybe 10 seconds delay. And for this one too. Okay, let's go. Let's repeat it one more time. I place the product here, it moves here, and it goes to here. And then it goes to this position. And let's take, I can stop here. I can stop, but if I will push the product back, it will go forward. I push the product back, it stops. After 10 seconds maybe. So this is the first point. Another point, here I have the trolley, another trolley. It can pick the product from this line or from this line. And I have an option to send the product to 5 lines. So really I have prepared 6 lines here. Line 1, line 2, line 3. So now I don't have the signal from any line ready to take. Let's ignore the bottom. This is ready to take, pallet received, and outputs, pallet ready to send, and the motor is running. So standard conveyor signals. At this window I have an option. Here I can select from this conveyor to which line I can send the product. So now it is number 1 line selected, and from this conveyor also number 4 and 5 selected. And also on this conveyor I can rotate the product by 90 degrees. Take a look here. You see this mechanism is here. What it actually does, it lifts up, rotate the product goes down. So now when the rotation is active for this, I can also disable the rotation. So for example, if the request will be from number 5 line, it will be rotated. For number 4 it will not be rotated, because some machines are working with this direction product, or some machines are working with another with rotated product. So now they are not working for some time. This is why I'm recording. It's not too loud here, but when the production will start, it will be very loud. So what this trolley do? It goes back to negative limit sensor. I have two sensors here. What is one is negative limit and another is slow down to negative limit, and also two sensors for positive limit to the side. So I go back to this position, then I reset the encoder data. I have the motor with encoder, so I know at what position it is. I communicate via micro tick rotors. One rotor is here for this machine, and another is here for this machine. Sometimes I get Wi-Fi communication alarms, but it's only maybe 1 or 2 times per day. It's for real, it's not an industrial device, it's homemade for home application, but it is working well. Which year this product was? It's okay, this is year 22 and month 9, so it's almost 2 years, a little bit less. So what this trolley do? It goes to pick the product from this line or from this line. Also, I have a sensor here. So in my program I have some parameters from which point I should start searching for the edge of this product, and to where is the start position and stop position. And also for this line I start searching for the edge at this point, let's imagine, and finish somewhere here. If I detect the edge here, I stop the trolley. If I do not detect, I go to the maximum position and then stop the machine with alarm. If the sensor will fail or something, although it is searching not at the bottom, you can see this, it's 10 centimeters, a little bit more. So I will try to record how it works later. Especially I want to show you how this device is working, so I will wait. For you it will be just a few seconds. You can check HMI here. So I have 6 lines. For really this not. Let me focus. Line number 6, I just entered bigger position. Line number 5, it's not connected. So this is the position where this trolley stops. Although I have extra sensor here, it works from reflector. On the lines I have reflector, and when it is in position, it checks or the sensor is active or it's really in position. I have Wi-Fi timeout, 10 seconds, empty conveyor, check 10 seconds, and here some on-off delay for the sensors. sensor type, normally open, normally close. This is encoder parameters, multiplier and divider. Position data. Let me check. This parameter is when I go to the position, it is 15 millimeters inaccuracy because I can try to stop very close to the point or far away from it. Okay, so this is the low speed. When I go to the position and I close to the position, I go to lower speed. This is 300 millimeters. This is laser position, where I start and stop. Where I start at number 1 and where I start at number 2, searching for the edge with the sensor, and this is how long I will search. So this is 1 meter. I'm searching for 1 meter. Let's check. You can see sometimes I get there is no Wi-Fi signal, but this is register. I really don't know which date it happened because I have added only hours. So let's clear this alarms was not active. When it's active, it's in color. And this is the visualization of the sensors. Some sensors here. This is my process number. It's in program for really. The operator don't need to know this. When I get some fault or something, sometimes I ask to check what is this number, so I check in the program where could be the problem. Also I have this control panel for manual control. The power is transferred to this type of application, and this is the buzzer, and when it's moving. So I will show you how it works. So, okay, I think it will start the production. I just guess. Yeah. But I think this line. Yes. Ciao. Okay, just pressed emergency stop because reset, start. As you can see, this one is rotated now, but we will see how it looks. It goes here. Let's check this conveyor. This one will go back. This one is going very far away. Now it is moving slow enough, but we are planning to accelerate it. So we have placed these fences with the door. I'm preparing the lock mechanism for the doors, so we will increase the speed. Okay, now it's not moving because I guess the line has been stopped. Number 3. Number 3 is not active. Number 4 live. Now it's moving. Number 5 live. Alert received. This is the signals from the line. This is the signals on the trolley. Already when I enable the line, I move here signals just to check how it's going back. Let me show you one more thing. I will press emergency stop, and the point is this motor has no brake. You see, I can move it with the hand. Let me open the control box. I will show you. I have home run variable frequency drives, and I will explain you soon. I can reset the alarm here and start the process here, or I can use this button. Let me check what we have here. Oh, it will go to the fifth position now, and I will show you. When I am in position, I enable DC brake. You see, I can't move this motor now because the DC brake is enabled. The reason why I have shown you this variable frequency drive is it's Omron MX2 series. I can enable DC brake with digital signal into this variable frequency drive. For example, in Delta E or EL series VFD, you can only enable DC brake before running for preset time and after running for preset time. But for this VFD, you can give the signal to it, and DC brake will be enabled. So at some points I enable with DC brake. I don't remember what the voltage value, maybe 40% or less. I don't want to overheat the motor because, for example, at this position now it's enabled, but I will release it after maybe 10 seconds, I don't remember. Oh, now it's released, you see, I can move it. Because this position it's not very important, you can move it a little bit, but I will go to the pickup and in-load or unload position. Only in this position will be the brake enabled all the time.